Yes, plumbers should absolutely recommend water filtration systems when the situation calls for it, because they are the ones who see firsthand what is really flowing through a home's pipes, and they can spot problems that a homeowner would never notice on their own. Think of your home's water pipes like a highway system, and the water is like cars driving through it. Over time, that highway can get worn down, rusty, or clogged with tiny bits of minerals and sediment, and all of that ends up in the water you drink, cook with, and bathe in. A good plumber can actually test your water and see things like hardness levels, chlorine amounts, or even trace metals that build up from old pipes. Something most people do not know is that many older homes still have pipe connections made with lead solder, especially those built before the 1980s. And a whole house filtration system can help catch some of those particles before they reach your glass. Plumbers are trained to notice signs like white chalky buildup on faucets or unusually fast wear on appliances, which are often clues that filtration could help. So when a plumber brings it up, they are usually not just trying to sell you something, they are trying to protect your health and your plumbing system at the same time. One common mistake homeowners make is assuming all filtration systems are the same, when in reality a simple pitcher filter does not do nearly what a whole house system can do, so it helps to ask your plumber exactly what problem you're trying to solve first. Another misconception is thinking that if your water looks clear, it must be clean, but many contaminants are completely invisible, so getting an actual water test is the smart move before buying anything. People also forget that filtration systems need regular maintenance, like changing filters on schedule, and skipping that step can actually make water quality worse instead of better, so setting a reminder every few months is a simple fix. If you need help with a project like this, you can search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.